Hi, this is Dr. Yogesh Palshetkar, and I'm going to explain you about the colonoscopy procedure and the bowel preparation required for it. Colonoscopy is an endoscopy procedure by which we look into the patient's large bowel. In this picture, you can see the patient's colon or the large bowel. We enter the large bowel through this part. This is the anus. The colonoscope enters into the anus, into the rectum, and the sigmoid colon. Then it goes up into the descending colon. This is the splenic flexure. This is the transverse colon. This is the hepatic flexure. This is the ascending colon and the cecum. This is the end of colon. Sometimes we need to enter through a small aperture into the small bowel as well. We can see up to about 10 to 15 centimeters of the small bowel. If required, we take a biopsy of that particular pathology. In order to get a clear picture or clear view of the patient's colon, because we need to see the pathology, diagnose it, and we have to take the biopsy of it. So we need a very clear picture or clear view of the patient's colon. So how to do it? On the previous night, the patient has to take a thorough bowel preparation. So let me explain you what is the bowel preparation. This is a commercially available powder, which is a polyethylene glycol. You have to open it, put it in a large vessel, mix it with 2 liters of the drinking water, dissolve it nicely, and the patient has to consume it over the period of 2 hours. After about 3 to 4 hours, or sometimes 5 to 6 hours, the patient will get clear loose motions, about 8 to 10 in numbers, by which the patient clears his or her bowel and we get a nice view of. Now let me explain you about the timing of taking this bowel preparation. Suppose you have been posted for colonoscopy tomorrow, then today evening you start clear liquids orally by 5 o'clock in the evening. So after 5 o'clock you are not supposed to consume any colorful liquid or the solids, but clear liquids like coconut water, fresh lime juice or plain water you can drink in plenty of quantity. This solution has to be consumed between 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the evening. After 9 o'clock till 12 o'clock midnight, the patient can consume clear liquids orally again. Early in the morning, the patient will get clear loose motions, about 8 to 10 in numbers. So by about 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, the bowel preparation will be complete. You can report to the hospital by 8:30 in the morning.